So it's your first session at UOW. Once you've enrolled in your degree, it's time to make your timetable. The first step is to find out when classes are on. It is really important to make sure you will have no clashes when creating your timetable. To find your subject requirements, log into SOLS. Select Timetable, and then select Subject Timetable. It is important to check the opening times for your tutorial enrolments. Opening dates and times are different for each subject. To check the times, select the Enrolment menu, then Tutorial Enrolment in the left-hand SOLS menu. Closer to the start of session, your subjects will appear in a table under the My Timetable menu. If there is nothing displayed on this page a week before session, you will need to check your Faculty Central webpage for information regarding your tutorials. This table shows the opening times for each subject. Tutorials fill up quickly, so it's important to be prepared and ready at the tutorial opening times. Before tutorials are available to enroll in, they will be green. When they open, they will be yellow. If tutorials are full, they will be pink. You may not get the first choice you were hoping for, so you may need to select another option. Once you find your preferred available class in yellow, click on it to make your selection. Then click Enroll Now. When you have successfully enrolled in a tutorial, it will appear in My Timetable. If you need more help, you can click on Familiarise yourself with this process, which will take you to a range of FAQs.